And on this day, I wasn't even on the charts for 20 minutes and I ended the day at 7K. I only trade for 1 hour a day. I do use Apex Trade Copier off Ninja to help me trade more than one account. This is my setup. It is so simple. I just have 2 monitors. I don't even need the second one. And my computer, and that's it. Let's see what my charts look like. And looking at my charts, you can see that I need little to nothing. All I need is really my boxes and my fibs for initial balance. I trade the 5-second time frame and determine direction with the 15-minute time frame. And sometimes I use the 1 minute to help me determine direction. And that is my trade setup. I do use Apex Trade Copier off Ninja to help me trade more than one account. But that's literally my setup. And if you want to go over a play right now, stick around and I'll show you one of my setups. I only trade for 1 hour a day, rarely ever more than 1 hour. So right here, this is a bearish play. This is the pattern we are looking for. It happens exactly. We see the sweep happen. Sweep happens here. Then price comes out the zone. Let's make a zone. Price comes back in, taps the zone and comes out, taps it, break structure, goes far away, then comes back and fills 50% of the zone and hits my take profit. Price came back, filled 50%, hits my take profit. And on this day, I started trading at 9:40 and the play happened at 9:57. I wasn't even on the charts for 20 minutes and I ended the day at 7K. If you want to master my strategy, click the first link in the description and fill out the mentorship application, and I'll give you a call to see if you are interested. Thank you for watching. Leave me a comment, a like, and maybe even subscribe.